Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can use Robinhood for crypto trading. So if you wanna use Robinhood for crypto trading, then you will need to follow these simple steps. So what you can do is, in order to use Robinhood for a crypto trading, you need to search for a crypto to trade using a magnifying glass icon in the Explorer. So that means here. So what you can do is you could go ahead and tap on the cryptos, and you could find a list of cryptos that's available in Robinhood. Next thing, you could select buy or sell and then choose the order type. So I'm gonna go with Bitcoin. Let's see. When you go to Bitcoin, you could see the draft, you could see the lines, bar, and all that. So you could read out the chart as well and explore all of these. At the bottom of the page or somewhere in between, you could find the option to buy or sell. So when you actually do it, so then choose the order type and then enter the amount in euros or in crypto, depending on the order type. After that, you could review the order and swipe up to submit. Since I haven't verified my account, so I'm unable to show you the further procedure, so I'm just gonna be instructing you. After you've actually done it, so in the step 4, you need to select the limit order, enter the trade amount, and select the limited price. Then you could go back to the home and swap, select the crypto and network to swap from, and to enter amount and swipe to swap. You could go ahead and verify your identity, add a 2-factor authentication to your account. It can take up to 5 business days to review your info and enable crypto transfer. So this way you could use Robinhood for crypto trading. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.